We're going to look at how you put together a Prezi. On the screen I have a Prezi that I have already laid out some images and some symbols and things like that. I'm going to use a scroll wheel on my mouse to scroll it out and show you what I have. Point 1, point 2, point 3, and point 4, and then my heading in the middle. Over to the left hand side is where my path is at. If I click on item 1, it says click to zoom into this path. This is where this Prezi would actually begin, at this point right here. And so far there's nothing else on it. There's no other paths. It's not going to move anywhere else until I click Edit Path, and then it says click on any object to add it to the path. So I'm going to click on point 1, and notice now it's the second item in the path. And now I'm going to click on point 2, and notice it is the third point in the path. And I'm going to have to move over here, and I'm going to click on point 3. It's in the path. And point 4. So now we have 4 points in the path. If you want to see how it will play out, you can just hit the Present button. And then down at the bottom there are right and left arrow keys, so I will move forward. It takes me to point 1, point 2, point 3, and point 4. You can always edit your Prezi path by clicking Edit Path, and then you'll notice as you move over any particular slide or area in your path, there is an X, and you can remove that point by clicking that. You can also rearrange your items by just dragging them and dropping them to the location where you want them to be. So remember, when you're editing the path, you not only can set path points, but you can also move them around, and you can hit the X to remove that path point. And that's a little bit about how you can create paths in Prezi.